Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing April garden tour or early spring garden tour. So firstly I'm going to show this cucumber planters which I haven't planted all of them. I've just planted just two of them on either side because I haven't got soil at this time because the shops are also closed. But as you can see, the plants that are in the pot with soil are growing as well, and have made this trellis for them to climb on because this cucumber doesn't grow more than 50 centimeters tall, and they spread much, but they doesn't grow more than 50 centimeters tall. So the cucumbers are growing well, and some of them has got like buds or flower buds, I think, and they will actually grow fruits, and I will open the door for bees to come in or pollinators to come in. Really beautiful plant. I can't wait to see when they cover all the trellis. I have got 3 peppers in it because I haven't got the space in my room for peppers, but the peppers in my room are actually growing really well. So this is the plant or the seedlings of nasturtiums, the climbing variety, because I wanted to grow more climbing variety for the walls on in my garden. I've got some succulents here and a lemon seedling which I grew from seeds from grocery bought, and this is the jamon or black plum plant which I have in the greenhouse, which is growing really well. These are the bottles which I'm going to grow these peppers and chilies in the here in the greenhouse. And as you can see, the greenhouse needs to be cleaned, but I'm really looking forward to actually see all of the cucumbers growing and filling this whole trellis. It will be like a green ball, really looking beautiful. And now I'm going to go outside in the garden and show you all the things I'm growing and the plants for the growing in the raised beds. So this is the garden. As you can see, my dad built this raised beds from used pallets, really free and cheap. This is as you can see, the tomato bed, and I've got some tomatoes outside, all the 18 tomatoes which are going to plant outside. So I'm hardening them off because the temperature is rising now, and I've trimmed all the lower leaves and just left 2 big leaves on the top, just because I want them to focus on their new growth and not the older leaf. And now I'm going to show you my strawberry first. Firstly, let me just show you my kiwi plant. So this is the kiwi plant which I have, and this one has got buds, and I hope so when the temperature rises, the kiwi plant will actually get some leaves and grow in the summer. Really hoping so. This is the col leaves which I have. I hadn't have any space in my greenhouse, so I just put it outside. So this is the citrus or citron calamondin, orange calamondin. All of the buds or the fruit which are going to be where all of them are dead, but I didn't expect any fruit in this size of citrus. These are the strawberry plants. This is not the final place of this strawberry plants. I'm going to make a staircase stand for where I have the black bags. Just this one is the strawberry. Some of them are growing well, some of them are not, and I think 1 or 2 are dead as well, but that's okay. I can still grow many from runners next year as well, so there's no need to take tension or a stress, because I can still grow many strawberries from many other runners. This is the tomato beds with 3 rows. As you can see, I put staking system. I'm going to have some twine to let them climb on or to stake them. So this is the tulip planters. This is the tulip plant this is called the double mixed. It has like double colors and really beautiful rose type flowers or blooms. I have one in the front here. All of them are blooming. This one is the single mix. One is the traditional tulip, which has the traditional bloom. And at the left side I have the alliums planted. The alliums have also got some buds. As you can see, all of them have got buds, and the leaves, some of the leaves are just dull and not looking good. At the back in the bench I have some gladiolus which are pre-sprouting. As you can see, the gardening is looking really not nice from this angle, but nice from the other angle. So I'm going to show you my nasturtiums. All of them are dead, not a single one of them are living, and that's okay. I still put more seeds in so that they can grow because of the cold temperatures we had. I didn't know that the temperatures would fall quickly, and all of them are dead actually. As you can see, this one is the Alaska mixed variety, which has the variegated leaves, and I put 2 seeds in each bottle now. And this one is called the Empress of India, which has the dark green leaves with these dark red colors, really beautiful. This one is Tom Tom, it's called Tom Tom, and it's different colors of nasturtium. This is the vegetable garden from this angle, looking really nice. Not so nice because it's, you know, and the bottles at the back are actually the strawberry which I grew from runners last year. I don't think many of them are living because of the cold temperature we had. This one is the tea rose. I think it's the yellow one. Yes, this yellow tea rose, and the buds or the new growth are dead because of the cold temperature, as I said before. This one is the pink tea rose. The temperature killed mostly the buds and the new growth. And this one is the red. This one is the orange one. And the last one is the white tea rose. As you can see, there are more buds coming, but the last one is the white tea rose I have. So this is just a random plant which I put here and with a trellis, and I'm going to grow a nasturtium that I grew from seeds. This is the vegetable garden. I'm not finished with the trellis yet. I just need to wait. As you can see, in this bed I put some compost or material so that it can compost for more nutrition. In this bed I'm going to grow some mint and go to different things. And in this bed I have just put random stuff like sunflower seeds, and here I have some radishes in this pot, and the radishes, the bulb are growing. I can't look forward actually to harvest. I can't wait to taste my own homegrown, first time grown radishes. This one is also radishes, and the back here is peas which I grew from seeds, and this one is also peas. To tree planters, and all of the trees are going to be in the long, raised bed which I have at the back where the trellis is going to be, because I'm going to grow because they need more space to grow.
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep.
So now I'm in the front yard garden. As you can see, there were a cat here, but this is the garden, and as you can see, this arbovirus has been yellowing because of the cold temperature, as I said. And the first thing I'm going to show you is the daffodil, and they are stopped blooming and they're done blooming, and I'm waiting for them for the brown so that I can collect the bulbs and store them. And sometimes I think now I'm going to just place them be in the pot and let them just sit for summer as well. We'll see. And the next pot is hostas. The hostas actually thrive in the cold temperature even if they had a little bit of leaves. As you can see, this white variety with the white corners edges is called Crispula, and with the yellow edges is called the Autumn Frost. They're grown really much, as you can see. The ones in the shade have grown more. This is the nasturtium climbing variety. I have 3 of them, 3 seedlings, for just to be on the shore side, to be safe side, so that they can actually survive. As you said, in the brick wall, they're going to climb on the brick wall. And this is a square planter in which I have a cordyline, which I cut because the cordyline, actually the top part died because of the cold temperature we had. I may buy another cordyline, I don't know, to plant that and things like that. The next thing I have in this square pot is hydrangea. As you can see, the hydrangea is not looking great. All of the leaves have fallen off, the buds have fallen off just because of the cold temperature we had. I'm really sad. I don't know if they're gonna bloom again this year, but it may bloom, we'll see, because they bloom on old wood. That's the most disturbing part. But some of the buds are still alive, so we'll see some 2 or 3 blooms. That's alright. Because of the cold temperature, the hostas, the hydrangea actually didn't do it well. In this square pot again, we have another cordyline stem which I cut off, and I don't know if they're gonna sprout, but I hopefully please pray for that they actually sprout from the base or the stem, because I really want the cordylines. They were really lovely with the red cordylines. And this one is a rose which I planted in the ground, doing really well, looking really good as well. Hope they bloom. And this one is the boxwood, which I topiaried and trimmed. Didn't make a video, but I have a video already, so you can just watch the YouTube video. As you can see, there are many dandelions and weeds. I need to control that. This is the fuchsia, which I actually cut back. It's growing from the base. I don't know if you can see, but as you can see, there's some little bit growth in the base because I cut it back. And because of the cold weather, I don't think it's going to grow too very huge this year. It may not grow, but I don't, as you can see, this is a really beautiful corner with 2 planters full of colors of tulips, because this side of this house gets west facing and west faced, and it goes southwest and got really much sun. This is the golden climber rose which I showed you. This is the double mix, as I said, in the backyard. Look at the beautiful colors. Look at the the yellow color with some a blush of red in it, and the many yellows, really beautiful. They look like rose blooms. They're really pretty. So we can see early roses, but the leaves aren't rose. This is the red one. They look so pretty. This is the orange one. This is so unique color. You can see the orange with stripes of yellow is so beautiful. Looks like a rose, a rose bloom. It's so pretty. I can't wait to grow them again next year. I can't just wait because they look so beautiful. I just need to fix this bloom or stem because they are leggy because of the cold and wind we had this year, and they made their stem really leggy. I've learned that I need to stake them. I need to do it off camera because I can't I need to put the stake down and then place the bloom on top. I can't do it on camera. I need to just turn off the camera and then do it. You can see this pot looks really full of color, really beautiful. And this pot we have climbing rose pearl scarlet, really looking beautiful. And I noticed now when I filmed today, this pot or this plant has aphids. As you can see, this plant is full of aphids, green aphids. Need to treat it after this video, and I'm going to treat everyone. The next pot is the traditional tulips. This is also have peach colored blooms, also have pink colored blooms. Really pretty. I really enjoyed the blooms this year, I really do. And this one is called the climbing rose paradise. It has pink color. It's also climbing rose, but it's looking really small compared to the other 2. So I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you later in the next video. Bye.